Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about how we can download Python. So, first of all, Python is, if you want to download Python and edit in its idle. If you don't know what I'm talking about, come and look in my Finder. Application, sorry. Python 3.8. Now, there's this idle 3.8. Literally everything works on this. Like if you want to import something, import or do some. If you want to say do some simple fun stuff like hello everyone, something like that. Then you can use you can download it, but a more useful thing is to download an editor, a programming editor specifically. Now, if you want one of the best ones, I'd say you go to Visual Studio Code. Actually, just go to this best programming editors, and then you'll see. This one, I guess. I'm actually fine with anything, but Visual Studio Code, Atom. I have Atom. I have Visual Studio Code. I have Sublime Text. I have Idle. I have Genie. I have lots of code editors. Just checking through which one's the fastest and runs the best. There's Notepad++. I haven't thought of that, but maybe I'll try it out. Brackets text editor. Now you can use any of these. The only difference, you just click. I'll include this link below. I'll include this link in the description. Visual Studio Code, Atom. I have both. I have this. I don't have this, and neither do I have this. But you can use any of these. But anyway, back to the main topic. If you do want to download Python, then you can go to www.python.org. I'll include the link as well. Then go to downloads. Now, if you're looking for a specific release, go to all releases. And for me, I'm on a Mac OS X. This is the latest one, so I press this and it'll automatically download. If you want to see what it looks like, I'm on Microsoft Edge, so it'll look like this. It'll come out below. Now, I do not want this. Show in Finder, mute to trash. Yeah. So if you want that, if you're on Mac, then this is your choice. Windows, go to if you're on Windows, it'll probably also show here, but I'm on Mac, so it shows here. Then you can download either the latest one. Note that Python 3.83 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. Pre-releases like 3.9 and all that. And yeah, or all releases, and that's the latest one. It will show the latest one here. Even if you're on Windows, just replace this with Windows. It will show that. See, you can Linux, Mac OS, other. You can just type up and active Python releases, because already looks like 2.7 reached its end of life, if that's what it calls it. But yeah, you can look for a specific release here. It shows until, let me see, 2.0.1. But I don't think some of them work because they're probably too old. Like 2.0.1 is like June 22, 2001. That's a long time ago. Yeah, and if you're looking for information, like on other platforms like Linux or something else, you can look at the license, and you can find anything here: PSF, docs, documentations, community, success stories, news, events, everything you want. Python. But back to what I was saying. On editors, code editors, you can open, for example, here, there's this, usually there's this, down below when you start, let me just make a new one. There's this plain text. If it's a new one, even on this, it'll show plain text. Click that area, search for whatever language you're hoping to type in, like Java or AppleScript. Is that here? I don't know. It's not, but he is here. See, some code editors have different languages in them, like Sublime Text. You can search AppleScript, lots of languages here. Just search for whatever you want here. That means that you don't even have to download Python. Yeah, it's really convenient. You can go without downloaded Python. But if you're like an idle user, you can use it. It's fairly simple. So yeah, Python, Java, anything. Yeah, that's all. Now, please tell me what you want for the next video, and see you until next time.